Mumbai. An empty Churchgate-bound local train came crashing into the platform after the motorman who was driving the locomotive apparently lost control of the vehicle, as he couldn't apply the brakes on time. This caused the overhead wire to snap as the train had exceeded the track limit. The incident occurred around 11:40 am on Sunday morning. Both the train's motorman and guard have been taken for medical treatment. The local broke into the buffer kept to prevent accidents, and half of the first coach went through the platform.